Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make good chicken noodle soup. First, begin with a high-quality chicken broth, ideally homemade, as it forms the foundation of your soup's flavor. Next, ensure your chicken is cooked and shredded. Using a mix of white and dark meat can add depth. Finally, gather fresh, vibrant vegetables such as carrots, celery, and onions to build a classic aromatic base for your delicious soup. To enhance the flavor, sauté your diced carrots, celery, and onions in a large pot for about 5 minutes until they begin to soften. For the noodles, select a small variety like egg noodles or ditalini, adding them towards the end of cooking to prevent them from becoming mushy. Remember to season your soup generously with salt, black pepper, and fresh herbs like parsley or thyme for a truly comforting taste. Once all your ingredients are in the pot, bring the soup to a gentle simmer. Let it cook for 20 to 30 minutes, allowing all those wonderful flavors to meld together beautifully. Add your chosen noodles during the final 5 minutes of cooking to ensure they are perfectly al dente and not overcooked. Always taste your soup before serving and adjust the seasonings as needed to achieve that perfect balance. For a beautiful presentation and a burst of freshness, garnish each bowl with chopped fresh parsley or dill just before serving. If you have any delicious leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Remember, the noodles can absorb a lot of broth, so you might want to add a little extra when reheating. For easy meal prep, check out the link in the description for leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.